Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Now, I'm making this video because I saw a comment under the comment section of my video of a person asking me why I recommend Kitesim over text verified in verifying many sites. So in this video, it's going to explain the reason why I prefer Kitesim over text verified, although both of them are my favorite number verification sites, depending with what I'm doing or the quantity I want or the sites that I want to verify. Now, let's go to my first site, which is text verified. Text verified, they offer short-term numbers for verification, and also they offer rentals. For the short term, they are very good if you just want to verify a single site. For example, if you want to verify Swagbucks, they only charge you 50 cents. Yeah, WhatsApp is around $1.50 and so much forth. So you see here, you are paying per a service. Yeah, and that's why you can see every single service listed here. You can search anything you want here, and you can see the amount you're going to be charged for that particular service. They also offer voice. In case you're supposed to receive a code in form of voice, they can give you a number whereby they are going to get the code, a call, they receive the code for you, then they give you the code. That's another cool feature for text verified. So these are for people who want just a single number for verification. Now, the same text verified, they offer rentals. Yeah, under rentals, if you want to buy rentals, come to rentals, then click here, new rental. Under new rental now, you can either buy a number for a particular service like Swagbucks, or you can just search any site you want, like Atapol, and you get that particular number. And the number, let's say for Swagbucks, let me go back. For Swagbucks, permanent number for a month, let's see the costing. Goes for around what? For 7 days is $2. Let's say for 30 days. For 30 days is around 3.6. So it means that once you buy this number, you can only be able to use it for Swagbucks. Yeah. So I want also to show you another thing. Yeah. Now, in case now you want a number from text verified which can be used on all other sites, yeah, without any limitation, you come here, all services enhanced. So you just click here, and it works like a real phone, receives SMS from any sender, including 900 plus supported services, or all on one line. So let's click here, and then this particular kind of a number can help you. You see, it gives you a number which can be able to get unlimited services. It's not limited to a particular site like Swagbucks, Atapol, PayPal, or anything. Once you buy this number, it has various rental periods from 3 days, 7 days, 14 days, 30 days, up to 365 days. For example, if you want it for 30 days, you're only going to be charged around $10. So you see, text verified can give you an all-inclusive number where you can be able to receive code from any services for $10. Now, the reason why I prefer Kitesim, yeah, this Kitesim now, they give you a permanent number for $7.8 per month with unlimited services. You see, on text verified, the number goes for $10. The unlimited number service goes for $10. Yeah, $10. But on Kitesim, the permanent number goes for only $7.80. $7.8. So that's why I prefer using Kitesim, because I work on so many survey sites which require a permanent number for doing verification on each cash out. So you see, by that sense, that's why I keep on preferring using Kitesim, because I can use this particular number for Atapol, for Swagbucks, for any site that may require me to have a permanent monthly number for verification. I can use it for Kitesim, and that's why I prefer Kitesim in most of my videos, and that's why they are my best number site at the moment, because they give you just one number, and you can use this particular number to verify any particular site, including PayPal, Cash App, any site that you need. This number is very, very good on that. So the person was asking me why, under this comment section, why I prefer text verify, how I prefer Kitesim over text verified. Hope this video has answered your question, and now you understand why I prefer Kitesim over text verified. Although both Kitesim and text verified are my best permanent number verification sites. For short-term verifications, I prefer using for short-term verification, I prefer using text verified because they are very, very cheap for short-term. But for rentals, yeah, I prefer using Kitesim because their numbers are very, very cheap and very, very affordable, and they can give you numbers for various countries. Remember, text verified, they only support USA. They can only give numbers for USA. But on Kitesim, they can give you permanent number for USA, Canada, United Kingdom, and I talked to their support. They're adding more countries numbers. So this is the reason why I even prefer Kitesim, because you can have a permanent number for USA, Canada, and the UK, and then you just be verifying your sites and renewing as the need comes for your sites. So guys, that's the small update I had for you today, and I hope the guy here, I have answered your question, the reason why I prefer Kitesim over text verified in getting a monthly rental number, because it's cheap on Kitesim, and I can use that particular number to receive codes from any sites that I want to work on for a month, and it's only very, very affordable for only $7.8 per month. So that's the first small update I had for you today. So thank you for watching, and keep it locked to my next video.